In order to permanently delete your DeepSeek AI account, follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to open your DeepSeek AI application and log into your account. Once you have launched the application, tap on the two lines that is in the top left corner of the screen and then tap on your profile name. From the section that appears, you will see the option of delete account, that is the last option on this page. Below the option of delete all chats, tap on delete account highlighted in red color and then tap on delete again to confirm. Remember that deleting your account will forfeit any unused balance and block access to all DeepSeek services. If you're sure you want to confirm to delete your account, tap on delete that is highlighted in red color and you'll be done. And also note that once your account is deleted, you will not be able to reactivate it or retrieve any of your content or information associated with it. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.